Video off. We got ASC. We got the Clean Korea drying duo for the interiors. Sal, folks are always asking, why do you need ASC if you got Polestar and you have Green Star and MZR? Is ASC essential?
For us, is it essential? Can you do your business without ASC? Of course.
Yeah.
Of course you can.
But what are the advantages of using ASC?
It's what do you call it? A Swiss Army knife for a certain type of vehicle, for a clean vehicle, for a well-maintained vehicle. You could hit the glass. You could hit the glass with it. You could hit all the exterior surface, all the interior surface, all the textiles with it. You also hit the sensitive areas, piano black, the speedometer area. So when you have something like that that could clean that well and do that good of job, I guess it can be essential. So Swiss Army knife.
Yeah, so this is ASC material type of job right here. So this is our trainer's vehicle. This is a leased vehicle. We clean it once a month and it's in really good condition. No kids, no pets. It looks like there was indentation here, but something like this I can spray ASC on confidently on all areas. He has dogs, so you can see the slobber. And I could just simply go through and wipe down. No problem. I don't have to worry about any residue. Sal's blowing everything out first because there's very little debris in here. So I just go through, wipe down, and then hit the glass also. Sal will go through again at the end with the finishing towel, but for the most part, the glass cleaning is done here. So we don't even have to pull out our glass cleaner in a situation like this. A vehicle that's maintained monthly. Look at that.
I got something for you. Just this Swiss Army knife. Folks gonna say, well, why don't you just use rinseless?
You could use rinseless. You can use rinseless, but what's one of the issues with rinseless? Is you get streaking.
Yeah, residue. And people say, well, you're using too much. I was like, man, I use that.
Yeah.
You get something left over, man.
We need it to work, and this is one pass cleaning for us. So obviously, there's situations where you're not going to get one pass simply because there's so much debris and grime on the surface you're cleaning. The solution mixed with that is not going to eat all of that up on the first pass. In that case, we wouldn't be using ASC. But in a case like this, ASC is perfect for us. And I have other videos where I've literally used one towel, a bottle of ASC for like 3 or 4 maintenance vehicles. And the wild thing is I've used the towel, I want to say on that 4th car on the video. I'll link that video up here. Remember that video, Sal, where all I had was ASC and we had like 4 cars to do because we forgot our bag. By the way, this is going to be maybe by the time this video is out, I might be able to link this. So we were developing this bag and we left it, which has all of our chemicals in it. We left it at home and all I had was this in the van, and I was able to do 4 vehicles with this. But when I ran low on this, just the saturation on the surface with this guy was able to clean up a good amount of the grime on the surfaces of the vehicles. Again, another reason to use quality chemicals, quality microfiber. It makes a big difference. Does this need to be sprayed? Probably not, but you know, we're just freshening this up. But it's nice to be able to clean everything in one shot. So for maintenance vehicles, this is all we do. So people say, why do you guys finish so fast? How do you work so fast? First of all, we choose the right clients to do maintenance work for. Secondly, you have the good chemistry the good microfiber, that always helps. That always helps in your efficiencies and the quality, the outcome, the rework or the lack of rework, and the consistency. So you can see Sal's wiping up. Are you even putting anything on that? Sal's just going through with the final. He's just at this point. After what I did, you could pretty much use any clean towel that's reserved for glass, right? At any level, and it's going to be clear. Look at that glass. And that's just ASC, and then a dry towel. Obviously, and there was dog slobber on there. But again, here I'm just going through the first time wipe. Sal already did the blowout. I'm just going through, doing any of the wipe down that's needed, and then Sal's going behind me to do the glass. And he's already blown out everything, including the carpet, so we are good to go. And that's how you work with the order of operations that keeps you profitable, keeps you moving, and keeps you moving quick. See, we have the streaks here. So I have used this on a couple different things, but I'm going to wipe it. And notice the streaking is very minimal if there's any on there. So it's a little hazy. Oh, actually, it looks really good. Yeah, because that's not a piano black here. That's a different material than this here. But even the piano black, look how clean the piano black comes out.
I'm going to trade you.
What's that?
Pack up.
All right. But look how that piano black comes out with the ASC. If I was using Polestar, I'd have to go back through. And usually we'll go back through with maybe the glass cleaner or even ASC to knock down any residue left over by Polestar. But if you're using ASC, you don't got to do that. Looks like my lens is a little dirty. I like using ASC for these lenses too. All right. So ASC, guys, if you haven't had an all-around surface cleaner, it's just good stuff. Surface cleaners, specialized. It is a special cleaner. It's a very special cleaner. And we're just putting everything back into its place. Everything in its right place. Do those have bleach? I hope those don't have bleach. I keep those out of the car, especially if it's a leased. And it's safe for all surfaces, which is nice. Think of it as a light duty Polestar, but the biggest benefit of ASC is how fast it gets the job done, because this thing cleans. I would say if you're trying to think of, okay, what level is it cleaning? Because there's some interior detailers and stuff that, you know, that have the same properties, the same the same attributes, or they say to use under the same circumstances. But a lot of them don't have cleaning capabilities. This stuff right here, I've gotten stains out. I've cleaned headliners. We've gotten like big messes taken care of with ASC, and it's really surprised me. So if you're a DIYer, or if you're a detailer getting started and you know you're not working on, crazy cars. If we were working on just exotic vehicles and like hyper cars, stuff like that, non-daily drivers, I'd probably only have ASC. Sal. If we're working on just strictly exotics and non-daily drivers and classic cars and stuff, we would probably just use this stuff.
ASC and then Polestar and a pump.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. For the Alcantara and stuff. There you go. If you could put this, I'm trying to give them an example. I have one. I would say this is, because Polestar does its thing. Polestar is better than most interior cleaners that are on the market. I would say this is closer to, not like a rinseless. I want to say this is stronger than a rinseless. I would say this is closer to P&S Express. That's what I would say. We're getting the results from PNS Express out of this bottle here. And Polestar is stronger than that and gets us more cleaning capabilities, more foaming. But also, like, and we're not saying anything bad about PNS Express. It's a great cleaner. But it also does not have, PNS doesn't have the capabilities of cleaning glass. And the lack of residue left behind like this does. This leaves like nothing behind. So if you guys are, see, we're almost done with the car already, and I'm over here yapping. And do I need to, at this point, I probably don't, like, I have a little bit of, you know, it's still a little wet. So I'm just gonna go here, hit the glass. I'm gonna just give it a wipe. This is more of a dusting than anything on this car, but still, you want it freshened up. We're freshening up the car. That's what he's paying us for. We're not exposing a bunch of chemical to it, but we are hitting every textile, every hard plastic, every section of the vehicle properly. So ASC, and we don't use a lot of ASC. When I use ASC, I'm maybe only giving a couple spritz here and there. Sometimes I just go strictly to the towel.
When you got it, what I like about ASC, when you have ASC and when you're using ASC, you could use ASC for the whole car, like this one.
Yeah, like this one. Yes. And that's when you want, you know, there was a little bit of, looks like makeup on there. But, yeah, when you look at a car, and this is what the KCX product line does. So you can see a little bit of grime right here. The KCX product line allows you to see how that came out. It's breaking it down. I have to go through the spray towel a little bit more. But KCX allows you to look at the case, work the case, and figure out where you want to go and what level of cleaning you want, and choose your chemical accordingly. And again, that's expert level type of assessment and approach. When people are like, oh, they just have too much, they're like chemical guys, this and that. No. Experts, you need certain things for certain jobs. We all know a degreaser can do the job, but what's that degreaser also bringing to the table? It's bringing degreasing. It's going to start breaking stuff down. It's probably going to start tearing up some materials. All of that stuff needs to be into account when we're talking about chemical usage. So it's just specialized products for experts. And if you're not understanding that or comprehending that, then it's just telling of you know, it's for experts. That's all I'm gonna say. And this is even a nice one too, where I'll hit it on the ground and then just give it a quick blowout, and we're good to go. But as you guys seen, it did its thing on that grime on the steering wheel. So it's capable of that. It's capable of cleaning. One shot. Good to go. And that's it, guys. Anything else you got for ASC, Sal? Anything else?
Man, you could even use it on paint, because I used it on paint before. While you use it on paint, get rid of some smudges. That's all. You know what I mean?
Oh, we did use it on paint. Yeah. I was like, what are you doing using it on paint?
All round surface cleaner, safe for everything.
I can't argue with that. I can't argue with that.